How to take a video screenshot in CapCut PC. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Launch your CapCut application first. You will see a page like this. Click on to import and import a video file of which you would like to take the screenshot. Now this being my video, let's go ahead and click add. First of all, you have to place the section of the video of exactly where you would like to take a screenshot. For instance, if you want this photo as a screenshot or as a PNG or JPEG file, here is what you can do. You will see a 3-bar icon onto your player section. Click onto it, then click on to export still frames. Now here you can give it whatever name that you would like, and under here you will see format. Now you can also select if it's PNG or JPEG. In my case, I'm going to go ahead with PNG and click on to export. Now this image will be saved onto your gallery or your file explorer into your CapCut. That is all for today. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.